In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sound. Then tap on Vibrate Vocals and apply one of those options for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring quarterly. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, go back, scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced. Then scroll down again and click on those two switchers next to Charting Sounds and Vibration, and touch Vibration to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!